I now want to talk to you in more detail about manual repricing. Manual repricing basically means Price Spectre will email you with price suggestions rather than automatically repricing your listings. So let's get going. I'm in Price Spectre's main interface right now, and here are my two listings that are currently being managed automatically. I'm going to unmanage them, which isn't necessary, I'm just doing it for this demonstration. I'm then going to click the gears icon, which will tell Price Spectre to manually reprice these listings. As you can see, those are now crossed out. So now let's turn these back on. And on the right, it gives us price recommendations for each item. So for my DVD, it's given me this price recommendation. We can click on this, and that takes us to the price recommendations page for this item. Let's go back to Price Spectre's main interface now, and on the left you'll see Price Suggest. Click on this, and it'll take you to the page where it shows you all of your items with their price recommendations. So here's my DVD again, and its price recommendation. So let's click on my DVD's price recommendation, which will take us to the page for that item's price recommendation. As you can see, it shows you what the current search results are, and what your price would be set to based on your settings. Now, this is not necessarily the same price as the price recommendation, since this price is based on the current situation. You can click Revise, which will take you to the search parameters. This will get you different results. You can change your algorithm, floor, ceiling prices, and batter pricing, and so on. You can set your price based on the current results, or you can enter your own desired price. You can also approve the original price recommendation, or you can decide not to change the price. Or if you want to, you can just skip to the next price suggestion. I'm just going to approve this price change by clicking on Approve Price Change and clicking Next. Now it gives me another price recommendation. I'm also going to approve this and click on Next. It now tells me that my price recommendations have been applied, and I currently have no price recommendations available. So now, let's go back to Price Spectre's main interface. And you can see that my prices have been updated to the price recommendations that I accepted. One last thing I'd like to talk about is something in the Behaviors page. So scroll over to the left and click on Behavior. This is it down here. Ignore manual constraints. Normally, price suggestions are constrained by your floor and ceiling prices. Checking this option will allow Price Spectre to suggest prices outside of this range. However, any automatically repriced listings will still be constrained by them.